Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make your TradingView charts cleaner, easier to read, and perfectly set up for your style of analysis, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through setting up clean charts on TradingView, so by the end of this tutorial, whether you're a beginner or just want a tidier look, your charts will be looking sharp and uncluttered, ready for you to trade with confidence. Let's get started. First things first, we need to pick the symbol you want to analyze or trade. This part is pretty straightforward. Just head up to the top of your TradingView screen where it says Symbol Search. If you're looking at cryptocurrencies, let's say you want to chart Bitcoin this time. Type Bitcoin into the search bar, select it from the list, and your chart will populate with the price action for BTC. This is your starting point. Think of it as picking the canvas you'll be working on. Next up, let's talk about candlesticks. You can actually use different visualizations for price movement, like bars or a line chart, but I find that candle is by far the cleanest option, giving you a clear sense of the market at a glance. If you're new to candlesticks, don't worry, each candle summarizes important price info for a given time period, including the opening, closing, high and low prices. It's a really helpful, time-tested view. Now, by default, the colors for the candles might not pop or feel intuitive to you. It's worth tweaking. To change the colors, go ahead and right-click anywhere on your chart and select Settings. This opens up a wealth of options, but for now, jump into the Symbol tab. Here you'll find settings specifically for changing the candle colors. Pick colors that stand out clearly against your chart background and are easy on your eyes, maybe a bright green for up candles and a crisp red or blue for down candles. The cleaner and more visible this is, the quicker you can interpret information when you're trading. Speaking of backgrounds, the theme of your chart can make a big difference in how you see the data, especially if you're working late at night or just want something that fits your style. To change the theme, look to your account menu, usually in the top right corner, and you'll find a drop-down where you can toggle dark mode or light mode on and off. Try both. Dark mode is gentler on your eyes in low light, while light mode can feel cleaner and brighter during the day. Whatever helps you focus and feels comfortable is the right choice. With your chart looking clean, it's time to add some functional tools. Indicators can help you make sense of all that price action. I always suggest starting minimal. Pick a clean, simple indicator that you know how to use and that directly supports your trading goals. A great option for starters is the Supertrend indicator. Just click on Indicators at the top, search for Supertrend, and add it to your chart. You'll immediately see how this overlays buy and sell signals in a visually clear way. Finally, let's add some volume data. Volume tells you how much of the asset is being traded, giving important context to price moves. Again, just find volume in the indicator's search and give it a click. I recommend leaving the volume display basic. Too many modifications can clutter the view you've just cleaned up. And there you have it. Your TradingView chart should now be sharp, simple, and personalized to your tastes, helping you make faster, clearer decisions. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like. If you've got any questions or want tips for different chart setups, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy trading.